So as a photographer, it's our job to capture like feelings and emotions in photos. But people aren't always doing that. And you can tell, especially beginners, because beginners don't really know how to do it. So, if you want to learn how to do it or other ways to do it better, keep watching and I'll give you like 4 or 5. Okay? Sounds good? Let's do it. The first thing you want to do is keep things like loose and natural. Because when people are uncomfortable, then they don't trust you, then you can capture that in the image. And if that's what you're going for, then great. But if not, like most people don't want to capture that, you got a problem. So try and get them to feel comfortable. Compliment them. Be like, you look great, or just something like that. And they'll be like, okay, yeah, we got this. And then they'll start to loosen up, and they'll be like, yeah, no worries, be comfy. And then the photos are already better. The next thing you want to do, or this is kind of like before the shoot starts, you want to break the ice with them. You know, start a conversation. If you can keep the conversation going through the entire photo shoot, their brain doesn't have time to be like, this kind of feels weird, or this doesn't, I don't think this looks right. Their brain don't have time for that because they're too busy talking about themselves. So keep a conversation going. So the next one's all about location, because if you have a crappy location, then the photo's gonna suck just a little bit. It's one of those things that you can change very easily. You just like, if you want to portray like happy or young or fun or just whatever like that, like go to a park, go to like some festival, go somewhere fun and uplifting. That's like, you see a place like that would be a fun place to go to. Or if it's like a sad place, go somewhere dark and dreary and just stuff like that. So find a good location to take your photos. The next thing you want to do is you want to think about, when will you have the best lighting? Like if you're shooting outdoors, do you want to shoot during golden hour? Do you want to shoot during noon when the sunlight is like, bah! And you're just like, ah, and the exposure's through the roof? Like, when do you want to shoot? Use the lighting to your advantage. If it's like kind of a moody feel, shoot in like the early morning, late afternoon. If it's just like this like, ah! feeling, then just shoot during the day when it's like 100 degrees out and the sun's just blasting on your subject. And the last thing you want is for them to be themselves. Because if they can be themselves and show who they truly are, that's the whole point you want to capture. You want to capture them being them, not them being set up and portrayed as something totally different, something that they're not. Capture who they really are, and you'll have a great time. I promise you that. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed watching these videos. If you did, make sure to use what I tell you and use it out there when you're doing shoots, because if you don't use it, then why did you even watch this video? You just wasted 5 minutes of your life. So go, use it. It'll be helpful, I promise you. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that cool stuff, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.